Good morning, dear students. Here we have with new video exercise 4.3 and 4.4. I hope you are watching my previous videos, and on basis of that video I am giving you exercises on every Monday and Saturday. So we change the timetable, and according to that the turn of mathematics assignment comes on Monday and Saturday. So now your task is to keep the track of all the videos, so as to at the end I am giving you the exercise. So we are not maintaining the previous sequence that every end of the video we are giving the exercises, but from here onwards we are giving exercises only on particular day. For mathematics we have Monday and Saturday to give the exercises. So dear students, watch this. So here question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. Okay, so we have to draw the graph graph of the linear equation. So the first question is y equal 3x. So we put this as equation 1. Now here we have to find out the x and y, values of x and y on the coordinate axis. So if we have this as equation 1, then we have put x equal 1 in equation 1. If we put x as 1 in equation 1, we get y equal 3. Instead of x we are using 1 here, so it is 3 into 1 is 3. So this point becomes x coordinate as 1 and y coordinate as 3. This becomes 1 comma 3. Second one, if we put x as 2 here, okay, choice is ours. You may take any value of x, so depending on x we will get different y. So if we put x as 2 in equation 1, equation 1 is here. So what we get here, y equal 3. Instead of x we are using 2 here, so it is 3 into 2, that becomes 6. So this is 6. So next point becomes 2 comma 6. Again if we take x as 3, so we get, if we put x as 3 here, so this becomes 3 into 3, that becomes 9 here. So y coordinate is 9. So here x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 9. So we have this table. When x is 1, y is 3, x is 2, y is 6, and when x is 3, y is 9. So we have like this. So here this is y axis and this is x axis. This is 1 2 3. Here we are placing 1 2 3 and so on. Here it is minus values, and here it is also minus values. So this is the origin. Now if we take x as 1 here on x axis and y as 3, so this point becomes, on x axis it is 1 comes here, and on y axis 3 comes here. So its point of contact, this point becomes 1 comma 3. Second point is 2 comma 6. So 2 is the x coordinate, so we find 2 on x axis as 2 here, and similarly 6 on y axis, so 6 is here. So its point of contact becomes 2 comma 6. Again next point is 3 comma 9. So on x axis we find 3 here, and on y axis we have 9, so 9 is here. This point becomes this, and if we join all the 3 points we get this as the graph of the given linear equation. Next question is, if the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y equal ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Now here equation is given and we have to find the value of a, and one more point is given, that point 3 comma 4 lies on this equation. So what does it mean, dear students? It means that the given equation is 3y equal ax plus 7. We call this as equation 1, and point 3 comma 4 lies on it. It means that this point should satisfy this equation, right? So if we use x as 3 and y as 4, it is x coordinate, is y coordinate. So when we use x equal 3 and y equal 4 in equation 1, what we get here? 3 into, instead of 5 we are using 4 here, and instead of x we are using 3, so a into 3 plus 7, this becomes, it is 12, it is 3a plus 7, shift this plus 7 to LHS, that becomes 12 minus 7, it is 5, so 3a becomes 5, and finally a becomes 5 by 3, right? So by using this we can find the unknown also. So keep watching, dear students. Here we come, the next question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance it is 5 rupees. Means for first 1 kilometer it is 8 rupees, and for next kilometer onwards the charges will be 5 rupees per kilometer, right? Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y, write the linear equation and draw its graph. Now dear students, here the total distance covered, that is x kilometer, and the total fare we assume that it is y rupees. Now the fare for first kilometer, first 1 kilometer, according to this condition it is charged as 8 rupees, okay, for first kilometer, first 1 kilometer. Now if we cover the total distance x kilometer, and if we subtract first kilometer from this, so this becomes x minus 1. So total distance minus first kilometer 1, the next distance will be x minus 1, right? So the next fare will be 5 rupees according to the given condition. Next distance is x minus 1 and it charged as 5 rupees, that's why the fare for the next x minus 1 kilometer, right, is 5 into x minus 1. So this is the remaining distance and it is charged by 5 rupees. So it becomes 5 into x minus 1. It is given in the condition. Now the total fare, right, it is equal to fare for the first 1 kilometer plus fare for the next x minus 1 kilometer, right? So it is given the total fare that we considered as y equal fare for the first 1 kilometer is 8 rupees, that is given, plus now remaining distance is x minus 1 and it is charged by 5 rupees, so it is 5 into x minus 1, so it is 8, it is 5x minus 5, 8 minus 5 it becomes 3, it is 5x, here is y. So dear students, what is it? It is the required equation, okay, it is the required linear equation. Now here we can have the different values of x. Now put x here, if we put x here, x equal 1, we get different y, 3 plus x as 1 here, so it is 5 plus 3, that becomes 8.